What's going on, you guys? Ron here, Ron Yates here, day in the life of a YouTuber. I appreciate you guys checking out the channel, brand new channel. It's pretty much going to be me and my girl on here, and we're going to be sharing what is it like behind the scenes as a YouTuber. I'm going to teach you guys how to create your own YouTube channels and actually make money. I think that's what it's about. It's about figuring these things out and helping others to be able to do the same. Definitely changed our lives. It's something I wanted to do for a long time, and ever since the pandemic, uh, I mean, we were stuck in the house, and we had all the opportunity, all the time in the world to start pursuing some of our passions. And that's exactly what we do. That's what we did. We started executing. So I started a channel not too long prior to the pandemic starting, and I was just brand new. I didn't have any subscribers. I started with zero, and within a short period of time, the channel started growing. So anyway, you can make money on YouTube. I definitely want to help you guys to be able to do that, to be able to generate money for yourselves, for your family. And so I'm going to leverage this platform to be able to help as many people as I can. And guys, this is a brand new channel. Our goal is to hit 1,000 subscribers super duper fast. So go ahead and subscribe to the channel, hit the subscribe button, share this video online, get all your friends and family to subscribe to the channel. Let's hurry up and get this channel up to 1,000 subscribers, and let's help as many people as we can make money. As a matter of fact, I want to make sure that you guys are serious. I want you to comment down below, Ron, teach me how to make money on YouTube. Teach me how to make money online. If you're serious, go ahead and comment that right now in the comments down below. I need to set a goal. I'm big about setting goals and accomplishing the goals that you set and going after them. I really need to set a goal for how many people I want to help start YouTube channels. And then I need to set a secondary goal. How many people do I want to help make their first $1,000 online using YouTube? So comment down below if you want to be one of them. I'm literally chilling in the garage right now, responding to comments. Let me show you my screen right quick. So how do I flip this around? So as you can see here, I'm literally responding to comments. I just let me scroll to the top and just kind of go through some comments. So let's see here. All right, so let's see, who did I respond to? I responded to Elizabeth Chapman. I want to make money online. Thanks for your feedback, Liz. Pam Roberts. Thanks, Ron, for all the information. You're the man because you explain it better than anyone else except Jimmy. I think she's talking about It's Jimmy. He does stimulus updates too. And she says, anyone else except Jimmy, you and Jimmy are awesome. I really appreciate that, Pam. So anyway, I'm literally responding to comments. You guys can hang out with me if you want to. Do you think we'll get a stimulus by July? I hope we get our $1,000 for a year. Pam, it's certainly a real possibility. President Biden has not yet taken it off the table. And until he does so, we're going to keep reporting updates up until the moment that either the fourth stimulus check is approved, recurring stimulus checks, fifth stimulus check, for all I know. But right now we've got, over 80 lawmakers pushing for additional stimulus checks. Well, I mean, it is a fourth stimulus check is definitely still possible. So let me finish going through these comments. So who else is on here? So we got, let's see. Thank you for your information. Praying for our lawmakers. God bless. Yeah, I don't know how many people realize how much pressure our lawmakers are under, just trying to make everyone happy and balancing the budget and all that. Sorry, flies are bothering me. It was actually raining earlier. I was chilling in the backyard, and it started coming down. It was just pouring. And it's funny because weather was scheduled to be 40% rain today, and it was beautiful this morning. Went to the gym, worked out, and that's the cool thing about being a YouTuber. You can kind of just set your own schedule. So I went to the gym, worked out, got a great workout in, and when I go to the gym, it really just puts me in a good mood. You get your blood flow, get your endorphins going. You get an opportunity to come up with lots of ideas while you're working out. So it's really good, for me at least, and it's a stress reliever. And then I come back and I hop in front of the computer, figure out what we're going to cover today, do as much research as I can, jump in front of the computer, and start helping people. Right, start recording. So that's how today looked. But I literally just decided to hang out in the garage. My wife, she stepped out. She went to go get her hair did, so she'll be back here shortly. Um, I'm pretty sure you guys remember her. My wife's name is Ellie. She'll be here soon. So anyway, this is a channel that she and I have started. We're both YouTubers now. She got serious with her YouTube channel, I would say a little over 60 days ago now. So literally day in the life of a YouTuber. We're going to be sharing with you guys the insights, the hacks, how to get you guys going too. Because a lot of you guys have reached out saying, hey, I want to figure out how to make more money. I want to work from home. How do I make more money online? So YouTube is probably one of the best opportunities available right now. Is it the best opportunity? I don't really know, but it doesn't matter if it's the best opportunity or not. The fact of the matter is that it is an opportunity that works and you can do it. So we've already proven it. I've already helped so many people create YouTube channels and start making money off of YouTube and other different creative ways. So I'm going to be starting a membership program going forward, for people who are really, really serious. But for the most part, this channel, I'm just going to kind of share with you guys some behind the scenes stuff that YouTubers go through. So I'm going to flip my screen around and show some of these comments that I'm still responding to as I'm chilling here in the garage. You can see I'm literally just chilling in the garage right now. So and I know it looks nice outside, but it literally was pouring like 30 minutes ago. So anyway, I need to make money. I need to make extra money. So I responded, thanks for your comment, Janet. That was Janet Uden. The reality for most Americans is that they need to make extra money. I'll be sure to make more videos on how to make extra money. So, and again, this is what this channel is about. I want to help more people to be able to get their YouTube channels going. So, and I can't respond to everybody, but sometimes, I see some comments that kind of jump out at me and I just want to respond. So this next comment came from Betty McNeil. She says, "Hi Ron, my question is, I'm hearing you talk about these states." I'm sorry, I'm trying to read through my phone camera rather than reading through the screen. Hi Ron, my question is, I am hearing you talk about all those states or giving their residents stimulus. I wonder why Tennessee not doing anything for their resident, no going back to work boost or nothing. So I responded to Betty McNeil saying, "Hi Betty, that's a great question. I'll keep an eye out for state stimulus for Tennessee. I wonder what the Tennessee lawmakers are thinking in terms of help for their residents." So, I'm just, like I said, I'm just going through these comments and I respond to my comments. I respond to you guys in the comments. So, I don't ignore you guys. I do my best. I get thousands of comments per day. Now, of course, I'm responding on my other channel, as you can see. I'm responding on my other channel. We cover a lot of financial stuff, stimulus and stuff, stocks. But I get hundreds of thousands of views per day and literally thousands of comments per day. So it's not possible for me to get to everyone. But like I said, I do my best to respond. So and just so that you guys know, I'm really responding to the comments. I'm gonna go ahead and respond to who's the next in line, Randall Lewis. So Randall says, I would love to be able to make more. I would love to be able to make money online. So I'm just gonna respond to Randall right quick. I'm doing my best because first of all, I'm gonna like his. See, this is how you know I'm real, right? So I'm hearting his comment, right? So I get a lot of fake people trying to pretend to be me in my other channel. So one way you know it's really me, I'm the only one who can heart a comment on, so only the owner of the channel can heart, sorry, only the owner of a channel can put a heart on a comment. So that way it's that owns a channel doing it. It's not some fake, wannabe imposter or whatever. So anyway, let's go ahead and respond to Randall Lewis. He says, I would like to be able to make money online. So I'm gonna respond to him now, and I'm gonna type very slow because I only got one hand, so I'm holding the camera. As you can see, it's not even stable, but I'm typing with one hand. So we're gonna say, hey Randall, Randall, thanks for your comment. I'll be sure to make more videos on how to make money online. Boom. And I'm gonna hit him with a smiley face. Hit him with a smiley face. Boom. Reply. And so now I've replied to him, and you can see I'm legit because I got the, what do you call it? The check. That's how you know I'm official. See how many subscribers I have, so I'm the real Ron Yates. So yeah, I just want to share with you guys a little bit because I do respond to my comments. I can't possibly obviously respond to everybody, but I really do my best. I do hope that you guys got some value out of this video. I just wanted to kind of share with you just a quick video, show you a day in the life a little bit, or at least part of a day in the life of a YouTuber. Drop me some comments down below. Let me know what you guys want to see more of with regard to this channel. I hope you guys enjoy what I'm sharing with you guys. You can do it. I want to see, I need to set a goal. I'm big about setting goals and accomplishing the goals that you set and going after them. I really need to set a goal for how many people I want to help start YouTube channels. And then I need to set a secondary goal. How many people do I want to help make their first $1,000 online using YouTube? So comment down below if you want to be one of them. I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care and be safe.